Oh no. What happened there? Ano nakain ito, uy? Ulo. Uy, ano yan? Ano kamain ito? What did you eat? Ha? Yung tatlo siguro ito sa loob niya. Ito si cheddar. Is it right? Cheddar. Ito si cheesecake. Diba guys, nakita nyo to, baby pa yung newborn. Tama ngayon. Full size, ano sila? Bakuna and kapon. Maybe. Aba! What? Come here. Sweet. Kapon nila 8 days from now. Tapos yung isa ready itong mag-nap. Kasi sumobra na siya sa nap time. Too much playing. Too much playtime. You see?
3 hours past.
3 hours past their nap time. So, oh, this one is so sleepy. Yan na guys, ang update sa ating mga kuting sa mga nagre-request. Hindi ko masyado napapakita ito. Yeah, ready for a nap na sila guys. Ready to nap na. So, yung isa. So, mahirap hulihin yung isa guys sa huckleberry. Ito, ready na. Come here. Come here. Come here, don't run. Come on. Yeah, alam niya na. She knows it's nap time.
Yeah.
I didn't even have to pick her up. She's waiting for the door to open.
I was looking for.
Oh, she's just there under the bench.
Huh.
Under the bench. Yes. Ready for a nap. Uy, what is this two doing? Bye-bye. That one doesn't want to share. Biscuit making. Ready? What did they do?
They are nursing, like.
Oh, nursing like mamas.
Yeah, on the pillow.
Have a nice day, bye.
Ben!
How? You went over the level. How?
Ayan, andyan pa rin sila. So, may dala ako guys na ito. Meron pa ako itatanim. Though August na ngayon, diba? Medyo late na. Pero okay lang yun. So, ito yung supposedly.
I got bitten by a wasp.
Huh? Really?
Here.
May I see?
Wasp.
May I see?
Yeah, it did.
Oh! Lazy River. Si Ben para siyang nasa Lazy River.
Your snorkel's going underwater, Tia.
No, it's on So, punta kami sa labas bago umulan. Actually, umulan na. Para ba siya? Ngayon kuha tayo na magluluto yung chicken, yung whole chicken. Harvest muna tayo. Yes! Ay, we need scissors. Okay. Binunot ko na pala yung strawberries natin kasi yun naman namumunga yan. So, ito guys, yung ating lemongrass. So, kuha tayo. I have 1, 2. Meron dyan na hindi lemongrass eh. Isa. Hindi ito lemongrass. This is feeds.
Mama, the little squash down there didn't make it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it didn't.
Oh.
It's all dried up.
Dried up already? It was green yesterday. And now it's dried up?
Yeah.
Oh, that one is not. So, okay, so we're gonna... Okay, this is lemon. Inaamoy ko muna kasi minsan ano siya. Okay, this is lemongrass. Because it looks the same as this.
Yeah.
It's like the, what is that? corn or... Okay. Okay. Ben, it doesn't smell like lemongrass, that one.
Mama.
Is it? Okay. This is the smell of lemongrass. Smell.
Yeah. Mama, this is lemongrass
This is? Okay, okay.
too. I could smell it.
Oh, yeah. Kasi kulang pa dyan. I know. I have a...
I caught it from this one.
Okay. Okay. So, ito lemongrass ko. Kasi may kahawig nun eh.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we have enough. Ito pa kuya, let's see what we can find here. So, ang gagawin natin, atin nang kunin tong nag-iisa kong ampalaya. Kahit maliit pa siya, kukunin ko na kasi kikrave na ako. Ayan. Una at huling ampalaya harvest. Kamatis. So, meron tayong lemongrass. May isa at huling. Hopefully, meron pa. Ito. You wanna pick this one? I'll hold. Ito. May na-miss si Ben. Ito yung malaki, oh. Pwedeng ano yan, fried green tomatoes. Maybe next time. Uy, ang daming blackberries, oh. Harvestin na natin, guys. Melon. Cantaloupe. Ah, may bulaklak.
And watermelon.
And watermelon doon. Medyo mahirap ang hinawa.
And look.
Oh, it's still good. Look at the mosquito. Ben. Look at the mosquito. Hit it. Hit. Ito naman. Okay, hilaw pa.
I'll show you some morning glory.
More what?
Morning glory.
It's a morning glory. Para siyang kayo natin. One flower eh. Ito nahulog na guys. Nahuhulog na yung ating mga... Ayan oh. Ito pa ba? Ito pa oh. Magsasalad ulit ako, bagay ito dun sa ating whole chicken na parang adobo flavor.
There's a perfect round dirt.
I know! They're dig. I think it's they dig
I think
something.
that's an ant's house.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, ants need that.
Oh yeah. That's right.
Those aren't eggs.
So ito guys ay lemon basil. Maganda rin to pampalasa sa chicken natin.
I don't want to kill the ants.
Hoy! What? How did they open the door?
They are very strong.
They know how to open the door. Akala ko si Dea.
The knob.
Smart, huh? Very smart cats. Benjamin will tell daddy. Who is that? The cheddar one? Alright then guys, ang ating harvest for today kasi yun lang yung ating lulutuin. Wow, let's go kuya. Ayan guys, yung harvest natin today. So meron tayong nag-iisa nating ampalaya. Ayan, and then meron tayong lemongrass na lalagyan na sa loob ng chicken. And yung ating mga kamatis, magagawa tayo ng ampalaya salad. Ayan. Okay, so ihalo na rin natin lahat to kasi mabubulok to pag hindi mo ginamit. So yan yung ating gagawin to. Ito yung ating Cornish hen na nakuha natin sa Wii. Nagasan ko muna siya ng maraming beses. And then ito pa. Nagasan pa ulit natin pa. So yung ating soy sauce muna.
Don't add too much.
Ito tayong lemon juice. Okay. So, mas natin yung ating lemon juice. Okay. And then, we'll add a little bit of salt. Kahit na meron na siyang soy sauce, iba pa rin yung lasa ng salt. And And then, we have yung pepper natin. So, pepper. Ito yung garlic. Next is yung ating onion powder. Okay, guys. Tapos, lagyan natin ng konting oyster sauce. Ayaw kasi ng mga bata. Mabilisan lang kasi ayaw yan. Okay. Para siyang adobo. And also yung ating sesame oil. Okay. Ayan, guys. So, lagyan natin ng konting tubig. Natin ng ilang panahon. Okay, pag kulang pa ang lasa, atin pa siyang lalagyan. And then, let's put the bird. Let's put the bird in. So, ito na yung ating isa-isa muna. Hindi kasya eh. No? Tapos, lagyan natin ng panlagyan ko siya ng antag dito. Yan nga naman eh. Alas cheese pa lang. So, magle-lesson muna tayo habang siya eh. At pala in-overnight ko, no? Tinabad ako kagabi. So, yan. So, hayaan lang natin. Babalik-balik na rin natin. Lagay natin sa ref. For okay. And we'll be right back. Alright. While inibababad pa natin yung ating birds, yung ating Cornish hen, atin muna siyang hugasan tong ating mga na-harvest agad. Ito lang yung hinarvest ko kasi ito lang yung kakainin namin. And yung mga talbos, malunggay, sakana kasi hindi ako ngayon magkukulay ng ganun. So yan. So hugasan muna natin yung ating nakuha. Gagawin ko tong salad with ampalaya. Hilaw. So ampalaya tomato salad. Okay. Ayan yung ating basil. Mabango tong basil na to. Ano to? Lemon basil. So, hindi lang siya basil. May siyang hint ng lemon. And then, yung ating lemongrass na ating ilalagay sa chicken. Sa cavity. And yung ating palaya and more pa nito. Ang dami pa doon na blueberries pero hindi ko alam kung busy kami ngayon kasi first day ng school ng mga bata. Ano ko to? May kagat na to. Kasi napulog ko sa...
Tap water, please, Mama.
What?
Tap water, please.
Water, sure thing. Sa water, ito yung ating distilled pala to, guys. Gusto ko yung filtered lang. So, mayroon ko ng pitchel para sa filtered. Start ka na, Ben. Here, baby.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, yan. Yung ating hihiwain. So, okay na to. Okay. Tatanggalin ko yung seeds. Then, yung tomatoes natin. Alright, guys. So, start na tayo. Ano to? Ang palaya tomato salad. Alright guys, tapusin ko lang to and then yun namang ating ampalaya. And then to ating hihimayin din. So yan na guys yung ating tomatoes. Now, ito na. One and only natin. So hindi ko alam kung okay na siya, kung mature na yung seeds niya. Kasi kung mature na, marami pa guys akong seeds ng ampalaya. So ito is medyo ano pa, hindi pa mature yung kanyang seeds. Okay lang, ilagay na lang natin sa Oo, baby pa yung seeds. Hindi pa siya pwedeng itanim next year. So, anyways, marami pa naman akong ampalaya seeds, guys, from previous year. Oh my goodness, ang dami ko pa. So, hiwain ko. So, natutunan na namin tong kainin ng hilaw. At hindi siya mapait pagka siya ay hilaw. Hindi siya ganong kapait. Tsaka mas masustansya siya pag hilaw. Kaya hilaw na lang natin siya kainin. Total, iisa-isa naman. Kung marami, pwedeng igisa. Kaya lang guys, igigisa ko ba itong isang piraso? Pero natuwa naman ako na may ampalaya kahit na isa lang. Siguro naman meron pa. Dahil na ngayon binunot ko yung unang bunga. Ganun daw yun eh. Yung unang bulaklak. Tatanggalin. Tapos natanggalan siya ng maraming dahon as in nakalbo siya nung magpunta dito si Tisay. So, napersang mamunga ng isa. So, hopefully, meron pang kasunod kasi ang dami guys bulaklak. Alright. Na. Okay. And lalagyan ko pa siya guys ng sibuyas. So, piniprepare ko na habang minamarinate natin yung ating oh. Yes. So, okay. Then, sa malaking lalagyan. Ayan, para mahalo natin. Ayan na guys. Okay. And then, yung ating mga sibuyas. Hilaw. Ayan. Oh my goodness, ang galing na guys. Lagyan lang din natin siya ng konting lemon juice and konting toyo. Okay guys, yan lang. Okay, and pepper. Okay. Yung toyo, konti lang. Yan na siguro yan. Okay. Okay, ganun lang. Yan ang ating ensaladang ampalaya and tomato salad. And then, cover natin. Lagyan natin sa ref. Okay, cover lang natin. Ayan guys. So, lagyan natin siya sa ref.